Sri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 4th Subject Science.
Welcome back to 4th Science online class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, soil. That is 5th chapter, soil. This lesson we will learn about formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, soil profile, soil erosion and soil conservation. Okay, first, what is soil? The top layer of the earth's surface. A soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface. Okay, what is weathering? Yes, the rocks are break down due to the force of fast moving wind and water. That is called weathering. What is weathering? The rocks are expand due to the heat of the sun, and then they contract at night. The big pieces of rock are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. How is soil formed? Yes, wherever the fine powder known as sand, that is mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals and minerals, then the soil is formed. The fine powder, that is sand, mixes with remains of dead plants and animals and minerals, then the soil is formed. Okay, importance of soil. Soil is very important for life on earth. Plants grow in the soil. Soil provides nutrients and water to the plants. They produce food and give out oxygen, which is needed by humans and animals to stay alive. Soil is important for life on the earth. Then plants grow in the soil. Soil provides nutrients and water to the plants. They produce food and give out oxygen, which is needed by humans and animals to stay alive. Then soil is used to build huts. And many vessels are also made of soil. Then soil is home to many insects and animals like earthworm, ant, etc. Composition of soil. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. That is sand, silt, clay, then small stones, pebbles, minerals and humans. Sand are the largest soil particles. Silt are the smaller than the sand particles and bigger than clay particles. Clay are the smallest soil particles. Other than these, the soil contains small stones and pebbles called gravel. Minerals such as iron, calcium and potassium also present in the soil, and humus also present. Soil contains some amount of air and water. Next, types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in it. These are sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. First, sandy soil. Sandy soil has the largest soil particles. It feels rough and gritty. It does not go for growing crops as it has less nutrients and it does not hold water. Sandy soil has the largest soil particles. It feels rough and gritty. It is not good for growing crops as it has less nutrients and it does not hold water. Next, clay soil. Clay has the smallest soil particles. Clay is smooth when dry and sticky when wet. It has good capacity to hold water but has very less air between the particles. Clay has the smallest soil particles. Clay is smooth when dry and it's sticky when wet. It has good capacity to hold water but has very less air between the particles. Next, loamy soil. Loam particles are a mixture of sand and silt and clay particles. It is the best soil to grow plants. Loamy soils are the mixture of sand, silt and clay particles. It is the best soil to grow plants. It is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Okay, the rest of the lesson will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.